Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make chicken lollipop. You can make it at home. It tastes just like you would get in a restaurant. Let's start cooking. This is half kilo chicken wings. There are 3 parts in the wings. Discard the last one. I'll show you how to cut for chicken lollipop. Discard this part. Cut this into two. Now take the narrow side of the wing. Cut the skin and the flesh. Cut all around till you reach the bone. Always be careful while handling the knife. Now scrape all the flesh down. After making 2-3 lollipop, you'll get the hang of it. There you go, one is ready. I'll show you one more time. This is the one we made earlier. This is the next one. Take the narrow side of the wing. Same cut all around the skin and the flesh and push everything down. Scrape it well. Now in this wing we have 2 bones. Take out the smaller one. And scrape all the flesh down. This is the second one. Let's marinate the chicken. Add some salt. One tablespoon of black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon soya sauce. 1 tablespoon chilli sauce. You can use powder as well. And 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Let the sauce mixture coat all the chicken pieces well. Give it a nice gentle mix. Let it marinate for about 30 minutes. It has to absorb all salt and spice, the sauces we are adding. If you don't have time, at least for 10 to 15 minutes, let it marinate. Cover it and keep it aside. Let's make a batter to coat the chicken lollipop and fry. For that, in a bowl, add 1/4 cup of maida, also called all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder. I'm using Kashmiri chilli. This is for the color. The spice in this is moderate. We are not adding any color, so this will give a nice color. 1 egg. And some salt. First mix everything well. Add water little by little to make pouring batter consistency. It should be like this. Coat the chicken well in this batter. Heat oil for frying. Drop in chicken pieces gently. Fry them on medium heat for around 2 to 3 minutes on both sides. One side is done, turn the other side to cook. It will not take much time. Chicken wings will cook faster. 4 minutes to cook. It depends upon the size. My chicken lollipop is done. Transfer to a paper towel. This is the second batch I'm frying. This is really good. Do try it at home and enjoy with your family. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!